We are pleased to show you the 2022 Frontier. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, perimeter alarm, splash guards, body color door handles. Inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.